What's going on, guys? Charge It Up here in the garage with the R6. So you've taken the headlight assembly off your motorcycle and you want to take off the headlights alone off the entire assembly. Well, this is the headlight assembly right over here, as you see on the table. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to remove the headlight assembly, which is a one-piece portion on the back end here. So I'm going to show you guys how to remove that right now. Okay, so this is the headlight assembly that just came off the bike. At this point, you may want to remove the headlights for whatever reason. Either you want to send them in to get work done, or you just want to replace them. Maybe something happened, you want to replace it. It's a very simple process of taking it off the actual entire assembly. So the only thing you have here is you have your wire harness coming from the headlights. Now this harness is connected to this bulb, and this bulb, it runs to the side. You've got the two adjustment screws for this bulb and the two adjustment screws for this bulb. Now this entire portion is all one piece. At this point, the only thing you got to do is, because it's all plastic, it's actually a little bit bendable. So you can go ahead and pull that out like so. Tab, there's two tabs on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two tabs on each side. You're gonna go ahead and pull that one, and then you can even just go ahead and pull that one out. And here come your headlights. Those are your headlights out of the entire assembly portion. We'll put that aside for a second. So there is the headlight bracket with the two headlights, low beam, high beam. So now you can go a little bit further if you wish. There's two screws here, two screws here. You can take both bulbs off the bracket if you wish to do so. I'm not sure why you would need to at that point, unless you were actually replacing things from a damaged motorcycle or something like that. But for the most part, I think you can send this portion in like so to anybody that you want to do any work on your lights. Wow, there's a lot of bug guts on this thing. But yeah, that is pretty fairly simple. Now the process to put it back, it's pretty much the same. You just got to remember how to put it back on, and just be mindful of these pieces here on the side. These little cushions on this side over here, just the under piece. So now this part goes right back like so. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the bulbs are on top. They both need to be on top of this little foam piece. So you're going to go ahead and put it on top like that. This hole right here lines up with this hole like that. And then as you can hold it with your thumb. You can go ahead and pry that back, put the two clips in, or the little pins, and that is it. That's it. And now it's back on the assembly just like that. Now once we have that, we can go ahead and grab our ram air box, and then we're going to go ahead and find the clip, which is right here, and then we're going to go ahead and insert the box back into its place like so. Just that simple. There's also going to be another hole right here, which will line up with that hole right there, because there will be a push pin that comes out and connects these three together. So we'll go ahead and put that there. Make sure the wire, it'll actually even end up being in here with a bunch of other wires, and then this gets put in the front like so. And there you have it. There is your headlight assembly, and now we are ready to install it back on the bike.